Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Runway ML for AI video editing, detailed guide step by step clearly. To get started, open your preferred web browser. Type Runway ML into the search bar and hit enter. Click on the official Runway ML website link. Once on the homepage, look for the sign up or get started button. Click on the button to begin the subscription process. You will be prompted to create an account. Fill in your email address and choose a strong password. Make sure to read through the terms of service and privacy policy. If you agree, check the box to accept them. After entering your details, click on the Create Account button. You may receive a verification email. Check your email inbox for the verification message. Click on the link within the email to verify your account. Once verified, return to the Runway ML website. Log in using your email address and the password you just created. Now that you're logged in, navigate to the subscription section. Look for pricing plans or subscription options available. Review the features and benefits of each plan. Select the plan that best suits your needs. You will be prompted to enter your payment information. Fill in your credit card details or choose and confirm your payment information is accurate and complete. Once everything is filled out, click on the Confirm Subscription button. You should see a confirmation message indicating your subscription is active. Explore the tools and features available to enhance your video projects. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.